Hello, I'm Alok Jain, the co-founder and CEO of Moonpreneur. Our mission is to ignite the spark of innovation and entrepreneurship in every child, enabling them to reach their fullest potential. In today's rapidly evolving world, characterized by Industry 4.0 advancement, the prominence of artificial intelligence, and the changing nature of work, with the rise of contingent workforce, we recognize the importance of equipping children with not just technical skills but also a broader set of abilities. At Moonpreneur, we are deeply committed to providing students with a comprehensive foundation in entrepreneurial and social skills, preparing them for dynamic landscape of college admission and the evolving demand of the future workforce. The journey of Moonpreneur began when my 13-year-old daughter expressed her desire to create child-friendly copper bottles as an eco-friendly alternative to plastic. What initially seemed like a simple task turned into a 400 to 500 hours endeavor due to various challenges and lack of infrastructure. During this transformative journey, I encountered friends who faced similar challenges. It became evident that many working parents find it difficult to dedicate that much time, unintentionally conveying a very discouraging message to their children. We were determined to address and rectify this issue. Thus, Moonpreneur was born, fueled by our unwavering commitment to overcoming obstacles and setting a positive precedent for our children. Our mission became empowering both parents and children to wholeheartedly pursue their aspirations for the future. Moonpreneur represents our firm dedication to ensuring that every child receives the best opportunities for development and reaches their fullest potential. At Moonpreneur, we believe in the power of experiential education by immersing students in practical experiences and fostering a growth-oriented mindset. We enable them to thrive in an ever-changing landscape. In 2020, we proudly launched our Innovator program, igniting the sparks of innovation among tens of thousands of students through our free workshop. Today, we serve several thousand active students globally, witnessing the transformative impact of our program. Notably, several of our alumni secured admissions to prestigious colleges, and many students successfully launched their own products and companies. These achievements exemplify the transformative power of our educational approach. We recognize the immense potential within each student, waiting to be awakened and harnessed. Moonpreneur remains steadfast in its commitment to bridging the gap in traditional education and empowering the next generation of innovators and entrepreneurs. Together, let us unleash the boundless potential within our students and inspire a new era of education. Thank you.